these days, and they are easy to make, totally filling, and can give your body a plethora of health benefits. Today's video will discuss 7 immune-boosting smoothies we want to sip all day long. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. They are seriously a smoothie to aid any type of health or need an extra dose of veggies in your diet. Try a green smoothie. Lacking in protein, try a peanut butter smoothie or add a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Getting sick, add an extra helping of vitamin C or an antioxidant-rich fruit to your blender. Number 1. Mega Vitamin C Smoothie. It's no secret that vitamin C is a natural preventative when it comes to getting sick. This vitamin C booster smoothies contains carrots and oranges, which are both chock full of antioxidants and vitamin C. Number 2. Mango Turmeric Smoothie. This mango turmeric vitamin C smoothie is basically summertime in a cup. It's juicy and tropical flavor in a perfect mixture of sweet and tangy. On top of that, the smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, fiber and other antioxidants to help give your immune system a very large boost. Number 3. Workout Recovery Green Smoothie. Nothing says workout recovery like this energy-packed snack. These ingredients replenish your electrolytes and refuel your body after a tough workout. It's filled with frozen pineapple, coconut water, fresh spinach, ginger, chia seeds, and banana. Number 4. Tropical Antioxidant Smoothie. Feel great in 7 calls. This is a magic immune-boosting smoothie for a reason. Each ingredient included in this blended snack has an immune-boosting quality. Greek yogurt for vitamin D, spinach for fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, kiwi for vitamin C, D, B6, and B12, flaxseeds for omega-3, and berries for more vitamin D. Sounds pretty magical, right? Number 5. Cold Booster Smoothie. This cold booster smoothie combines orange juice, strawberries, peaches, pineapples, and peach Greek yogurt to really nip your cold in the bud. Each of these fruits is loaded with natural vitamin C and antioxidants to fight off illnesses. Number 6. Carrot Ginger Smoothie. This sweet tart smoothie is packed with nutrient-rich immune-boosting ingredients. It combines ginger, banana, pineapple, turmeric, lemon, and carrots for a gingy summery snack. The nutrition benefits are endless, from anti-inflammatory factor to vitamin C to a natural antibiotic. Number 7. Triple Berry Smoothie. Kiwi has over 100% of the recommended daily value of vitamin C, making it the perfect base for this immunity-boosting smoothie. Are some strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and orange juice, and you have yourself a triple berry kiwi smoothie. Want more smoothie recipe? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.